Episode 2, Team Leader Duties.
I'm going to get work permit.
Okay, we'll get ready.
Hello, I need a work permit.
Hello. No problem. Take a blank form. We'll fill it out.
Where can I find more forms?
Go to the maintenance office. There you will fill out a work permit.
It's good that you're here. I need a work permit.
I'm very busy, but wait a moment. I'll take care of it right away.
Work permit file was found on the computer. Printing. Printing stop. No paper.
We're out of paper. You'll have to wait a little longer.
Printing.
Please fill out these forms. Unfortunately, I have to leave urgently. Fill out the work permit with the employee in the hall.
Okay, thank you for your help. These work permits are pretty hot stuff. I finally got the work permit form. Can we fill it out now?
No!
Avoid this. Switch to live permits now.